Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mina and we're back with another video. So today's video is a wavy curtain bang wig install sponsored by MyFirstWig. We have worked with them now 3 times and y'all, third time's the charm. This wig is everything. Like the first 2 were hits, absolutely. I'll put them up there so y'all can see. But baby, I think this one's my favorite. What? Like, come on guys, let's get serious. I'm absolutely in love. Like, y'all, I love me some curtain bangs. I always try to cut them myself and they went ahead and just did it for me. They saw me chopping away at their wigs and they was like, here girl, just take this. Yeah, I think this is a new wig too. Like, this just came out, this just dropped, so y'all better come up here and get y'all one of these. What's that? A MyFirstWig. If y'all want the details and the full install process for this beautiful unit, stick around. But before you go, as always, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I will see you on a few.
Best friend, be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never find myself.
All right, as y'all know, we are working with MyFirstWig today. Very excited. I have worked with them 2 times before, so that would make this 3 times. So y'all should know by now that I absolutely love and adore MyFirstWig. One of my favorite wig companies. I always know what I'm gonna get when I get a wig from them, and y'all should always know what we're gonna get when I get a wig from them, okay? I'm very excited about the style that we're doing today. I'm actually about to head into work in about an hour, so we're going to see if this style will be quick and easy enough for me to do before leaving for work. And I need to be on time, okay? I've been up since 3 a.m. in the morning. It is now 5 a.m. and I have successfully done my whole morning routine, showered, and done my makeup. So the last step is installing this here wig. So we gonna see if it fit into the morning routine. And it will. It's my first wig, of course it will. Okay, let's unbox what they sent us. I just love when they send me stuff. It's always gonna be cute packaging every time. We're gonna get into the goodies. Perfect, they sent me a cute little magazine with all of their contact info, a how to install a lace wig tutorial, how to wash and care for your lace wig, their about me, everything. Everything that you really need to know about MyFirstWig is up in here. Then they also sent me, as usual, this little accessory bag with some clips, a cute little MyFirstWig comb, and a MyFirstWig melting band. Now it's time to get into the wig. Oh my goodness, look at this. This is so cute. Okay, y'all see this wavy look right here? Adorable. Lace is so thin I couldn't even feel it, y'all. Go ahead and peep that invisible lace and pre-plucking. Gorgeous, honey. Yeah, this is beautiful. We also have a nice little adjustable MyFirstWig band right here. Has like bra strap adjustments, so I'm gonna go ahead and clip that. Nice and secure. And then of course we also have some combs in here. So the entire construction of the wig looks really nice. They have some lace in the back for us in case we wanted to put it up. And the hair quality, y'all already know. Their hair quality is always divine. Okay, so this is a curtain bang wig. And I'm excited about that because that means we're not gonna have to do too much work around the lace area as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and tint this. We are ready to go. I love that this wig comes pre-curled. Amazing. It's pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-styled. Now all we have to do is install. I'm just gonna comb out these little curtain bangs right here. Very excited about these. Now I'm going to use these little clips that they sent me and clip the hair back so we can cut the earpieces and start the install. The cap does fit really well, which I'm very excited about. A little bit of wax just to keep these hairs out of the way, and this will of course be useful later for when we're hot combing. So I'm just gonna bring out some spray glue and get right into it. Right, and now we're gonna go ahead and put the wig on. Come on, facelift. Oh my god, I love when my wigs give me a mini facelift. Like, whoa. That's what people Botox be looking like? Wow. You know, before the overkill. Yes, come on, snatch. I'm just gonna press that in with my fingers just a little bit. And I'm gonna loosen up any areas that don't need to be glued. Press down, press down, press down. And now we're just gonna cut the lace first and then we can secure everything. Do that real quick. This is just gonna be a little bit faster for me because it is 5:35. I got 25 more minutes before I gotta get up out of here. So let's do it. Okay, lace is cut. And now I'm just gonna touch up any areas that didn't already get glued down. Now we're gonna take our wig band and secure our lace. All right, and now we're gonna start working on the top of the head. All right, so I'm gonna turn my hot comb on and bring back out my wax stick. And this is actually my MyFirstWig wax stick. I've had this for a little bit and I love it. Just part back a little bit. We need to flatten out this poof in the back, child. Jesus Christ. I'm just gonna get all of that nice and waxed. Gotta be looking fly at work. Come on now. Can't let the office know I'm lacking ever. And then I'm just gonna roll this down a little bit. That way I can get to the hairline as well. So I'm just gonna do the top of the hair first because that's what I need to be the flattest. I wanna try to keep my bangs nice and fluffy. So I'm just gonna leave those alone for now and do those last and focus on the top of the head first. Yeah, it's already better. I knew it was just the hair being fluffy because the wig fits amazing. So I knew it wasn't the wig, just the hair, child. That already looks exactly how I want it to look. So I am happy about that. I'm just gonna take the bangs and just press them back just a little bit. I'm gonna add a little bit more wax because I really want them to stay in this shape. I'm just gonna put it right on the hairline itself and then apply some heat to it. Let's see what we got. Gorgeous. And do the same thing on this side. Now I'm going to plug in my curling wand, start heating that up so I can add some light curls to this as well. So while that is heating up, let's take a quick look at our lace. I feel like my head can breathe. Jesus Christ. Okay, so lace is nice and secure. Some parts of it are even melted already, but we're gonna melt the top of the hairline right here. So to melt my lace, I'm gonna use a little bit of holding spritz. Spray that right on top of the lace, and then I just like to pat it in. I'm not afraid to get this in the hair because this is liquid mousse as well as holding spritz. And then we're gonna put our melting band right back on so we can melt our lace. And fold that down just a little bit. And now we are going to start styling. We want like a nice curtain bang and some waves. Bring out some heat protectant. Just spray that on the hair. Start off with the bang. I don't want like really spirally defined curls. I kind of more so just want some waves. So I'm gonna do it in big chunks. And then I'm just gonna do some of the rest of the hair, not all of it. But I'm just trying to give the hair some more wave. I'm not curling it for long. Let's do this piece. And I love that it's cold outside now because now these curls will actually last. I'm gonna spray a little bit of holding spritz from a distance. And now I'm gonna do the same thing to this side. And then same thing, some holding spritz from a distance. And I'm not gonna comb those out yet, I'm just gonna leave them to set for a little bit in their shape while I check on my lace. Ooh, There we go. And now last but not least, all I have to do is finish tinting my lace. Got some cream foundation and go right in. Then really quickly, I'm gonna highlight my part. Cool. Okay, so now I'm going to comb out my little curls. And that helped give my curtain bangs some more fluff as well. And I don't want these to be curls, I want these to be waves. So I'm just going to comb those out a bit. Just a little bit. Yeah, I'm in love. Curling it was the right idea for sure. Huh. Oh, that's gorgeous. Jesus Christ. Oh my God, this is literally amazing. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is amazing. My first wig, y'all are insane. Y'all are insane. What are y'all doing over there? I want to talk. Oh my God, I feel like Donna Summers. I want to talk. Yeah, I have some things to say to you, my first wig, and they're all good. They're all good. All right, let's get into the details because we're done. That's just that. This is a wig you can install before work, honey. It is currently 5:55, angel numbers, and that means I will be on time to leave for work. So let's talk details now. This is My First Wig's Curtain Bangs Wavy Glueless Invisible Lace Wig. Texture is silky. I got it in 20 inches, and the hair color is a natural black. Cap size is size 1, which is a circumference of 21.5 to 22 inches. Cap construction, we're talking a 13 by 6 frontal. Then hair is 160% density. And I forgot to mention that this is their new air lace, meaning it is lightweight, literally thin as air, and melts effortlessly, as you can see. All I have to say is go ahead and get you one. That's all I have to say. Y'all did y'all thing with this one, My First Wig. Y'all did y'all thing. So of course, shout out to My First Wig for sending me this unit. Your girl's in love. As I am every time. I told y'all, we didn't even need third time's the charm, but third time's the charm. Every wig I get from My First Wig is always a hit, every single time. Y'all can check out the other ones as well, because I'm telling you, every single wig was a hit. Oh my God, like, this one might be my favorite. I don't even have time to really admire myself before I go to work, but like, I just want to sit here and look at myself. Like, look at this. Let's get down to it so I can get out of here. If y'all enjoyed the video, go ahead and leave me a like, comment down below what you think of this unit, and of course, as always, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank y'all so much for watching. As y'all already know, it's your girl Mina. Y'all have a good day.
From now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. I be myself.